going to love the 2019 Jetta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.